Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre market forecast for Monday, May the 10th. We're also going to be doing our weekly market preview. Let's jump to our news items for this week as we begin Monday, Tuesday. Nothing in reference to news, but we do have, beginning at the middle of the week this Wednesday, a lot of information in reference to inflation. Of course, more unemployment information on Thursday. And excuse me, they're adding the 30-year bond auction yield because it is having an effect on our market as we speak. Of course, we closed Fridays with retail sales, industrial productions, and the biggie here, prelim and consumer sentiment. So we have a busy week, although today and tomorrow we're spared any news. But keep you checking this calendar in case anything pops up, maybe someone testifying from Washington or some sort of press conference from the Biden administration. Just keep your eyes open for the calendar. Just check it every day. Before moving forward, let's take a look at our charts for today. We begin with our daily chart again, opening up to another record high this morning. As you can see here, we closed Friday on a record high. We're currently on another record high today. We are currently at 42.38. I had anticipated 42.63 as our next level. Market continues to churn above. It broke clearly above this range here Friday and is beginning another run to the upside after we bounced off the 20 SMA. All of our moving averages are 20 or 50 or 80 or 200 are all pointing straight up. Plenty of support if we want to move down. ATR is picking up a little bit more flat now instead of descending, and of course the volume has been pretty steady at 1.3 million. So we do have some pretty good movement in the market. You just need to not fall over one side or the other. Just wait for your confirmations that we've been saying for weeks now. Quickly, let's go on with our next time frame here. As we can see, we have broken out of this very clear range that we've been talking for a while here. The market did eventually clear the area, did find resistance here. It was expected. We expected a deeper retracement potentially to this trend line here, but it kind of fell short. Actually only retraced its previous pivot here from this trend line before it ran clearly above our all-time high here, creating new territories. Now, where are we going from here? Plenty of room to the upside today and plenty of room to find support if necessary. So, like I said, let's look for more confirmation in reference to what we're going to be doing in the markets today as we're gleaning information. As we jump into our analysis chart, which is the one closest to our trading time frame, we can see this is the intraday high of Friday. Here's our intraday low. Market breaks clearly above these areas as it finds a lot of resistance in this area here. It's currently finding resistance there. We have a FOBO here, which created our all-time high, and a very clear trend line, ascending triangle. Clearly, our buyers are all along this trend line here. This is our north-south line. I believe that as long as the market remains above these clear areas here, we're expecting more churning between these two areas and potentially a pop to the upside. Otherwise, any break below here, we're expecting a little bit of acceleration to the downside, and we can clearly see that if we do a Fibonacci, the market can still break below there. This would be a good run somewhere along this area here in the 38 to 61% retracement area. Market can run. These will be all shorts to this about this level here. Then we'd have to wait for confirmation to see whether the market is going to hold or not. Remember, we do have this trend line here, which we have. This support resistance area turns support. Then the market can retrace to completely. Now, like I said, any break below here, we're expecting continuation down, but we do have a very firm area of support. So if the market holds there, we're expecting it to bounce back. Otherwise, the market is going to continue to push lower, potentially right back to this intraday low from Friday. So keep your eyes open for these confirmations before you pull the trigger. Have a great session. Let me know if you have any questions.